Hi everyone, welcome to one of my world famous, exciting stock market updates for the week. What are the markets looking like, and are we going to crash and burn and all the rest of it bleed? So that's the S&P 500, that's the daily charts. You can see, yes, we've hit all-time records as far as that's concerned. Look at that nice, lovely diagonal. Of course, it didn't feel like it when it was September of last year, did it? It felt quite choppy, or equally when people were talking about it being end of the world up till October of this year. But it seems now that we're climbing ahead, and I can imagine a lot more money, according to the daily charts, likely to go in. If we zoom in on the weeklies, you can see it's trying to move ahead. It's a little bit undecided. If we look at that at the bottom, the MACD, there are some warning signs. The market keeps making higher highs, but the momentum indicator makes lower highs. That's a bearish signal in and of itself. So whilst we're mildly confident that the market will move higher, there are definitely headwinds. Turning to the NASDAQ, there again, we've got, well, it's been moving sideways actually for the last quarter. So not as strong, quite a bit of profit taking. I guess it's going more into S&P 500 stocks and rotating out of the tech-rich S&P 500, the tech-rich NASDAQ types. And again, it's not quite broken above there, but there is certainly room to move up. So again, we might get a rotation, I guess, into technology out of S&P 500 would be one bullish way to look at it. If we look at the weekly, on this, again, hard to be as bullish as we were on the S&P 500, still sort of angling lower, moving sideways, pretty undecided yet is the NASDAQ, so don't get too overexcited with that one. What about the FTSE? Clear breakthrough there. Upward move on the momentum indicator, upward move on the index. Well, I'd put my money on a new high in the first quarter of next year. What about the weekly charts? Well, the weekly, a little bit better than certainly it was for the NASDAQ. Seems to be moving above its dotted line, which is the moving average, which is in itself a little bit bullish. But again, some warning signs. Lower highs on the momentum indicator, whilst the price makes higher highs, is in and of itself bearish. The Dow, again, a bit more like the FTSE, but quite bullish in that it's broken above the momentum indicator. And that is positive. Does the weekly give us a bit more longer term strength on that? No, it's below its signal line, it's moving average, and that in itself means headwinds. So don't just read positive into that in and of itself. If you've enjoyed this, have a look at my campaign for $1million.com. You'll get free access to my Telegram channel and a lot of other free materials as well to help you become a better investor. Thank you.